This Ssc Cgl Tier 1 model test number 53. Let's try to solve the questions from reasoning part. Look at the first question. This is based on coding and decoding. He says in a certain code language ERGOT is coded as, there are some digits given to us, and swing is coded as with some digits. Now how will jumpy be coded in that language? Whenever you come across this type of questions where letters are coded with numbers, they can be related to place values. But count the number of letters here. How many letters do I have here? 5. Count the number of digits here. How many digits do I have here? 8 digits. Number of letters and number of digits, it's not same. Avuna kada. Ante ippudu etla teeskundam sir. For example, ERGOT. Now I can relate this E to T or E to 2, or I can also relate this E to 21. Avuna kada. I can relate E with 2 or I can also relate E with 21, because there are 5 letters and on the other side there are 8 digits kada. Cheppandamma, maybe only one digit is related to one letter or 2 digits is related to one single letter. It can be anything kada. If I relate to E is 5, 5 minus 3 is 2. If I relate to E as 21, E V, V ఏమవుతుంది? Opposite letter. If I go with the opposite letter, R is 18, opposite to R is I is 9. Ante there should be 9 on the next number after 21. Do you have 9 there? No. And I cannot relate E to 21 and I have to relate E to 2. Ardhamaitunda leda? This is how you should think. If I relate E to 2 now, what is the value here? Minus 3. 18 minus 3, 15. Do we have 15 after 2? Yes. Katam అయిపోయింది. 7 minus 3, 4. 15 minus 3, 12. 20 minus 3, 17. So what is the logic going on here? Every letter minus 3. Simple and easy. Don't make it complicated. Let us check for the other thing also. S is 19 minus 3, 16. 23 minus 3, 20. 9 minus 3, 6. 14 minus 3, 11. 7 minus 3, 4. Absolutely okay with it. What is jump? How much is J? Come on, how much is J? 10 minus 3, 7. 21 minus 3, 18. 13 minus 3, 10. 7, 18, 10. How many options? Only one option. What's that? First option. Did I get my answer? Yes. Simple. Now tell me whether the series is in increasing order or decreasing order. Increasing order. Do you see huge increase or gradual increase? Gradual increase. Let's go for the difference. 8. Next is how much? 27. 8 and 27. Story closed. They are all cubes. Is it 64 next? Yes. After that it should be 125. Next should be 216. Now how much is 122 plus 125? 247. 247 plus 216. Is it 263? Yes. 463? Yes. So 447 plus 16 go to Zalu. 47 plus 16 and the 63. 200 కొట్టుకుంటే 400 సరిపోతుంది. None? Next. Now this is a question on what? Blood relation. What did he say? G is the son of S. H is the father of M. H is the father of M. Next is what? G is married to. G and M are siblings. G and M are siblings. M has a father. He is H. I can say H and S are married couple. S is female. Antena? Next is what? P is the. Come on. P is the brother of D. S has only one son, then automatically M is female. R is the son of G. Who is this R? Son of G. P is the father of K. J is the son of M. Who is this J? Son of M. P has no daughters, then this should be male. How is H related to R's father? How is H related to R's father? Who is R's father? G. How is H related to G? Father. Now look at this question. Now this question, how will you solve this question? Only from the Fourth option, we'll start this question from reverse kada. Chapandamma, but always go with divided by. How much is 288 divided by 16? Is 288 divisible by 16? Is 288 divisible by 16? Yes. How much is it? 18 times. How much is it? 18 times. Okay, fine, no problem. Next is into, next is plus, and then minus. Finally, it is equals to. So, 18 into 6 kada nenu cheyalsindi. How much is 18 into 6? 108. 18 into 6 is 108. 108 plus 54, 162. 162 minus 26, will it be 80? No. And this has gone wrong. Kani, what gurtubetko babu? Ikkada you have to change only minus and plus. You have to change only minus and plus. First two symbols are same. What did I get answer from the first two symbols? 108. Avuna kada? 288 divided by 16 is 18. 18 into 6 is 108. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేస్తా? 108 మైనస్ 54 ప్లస్ 26 అంతే కదా. 108 మైనస్ 54 ఎంత? 54, బికాస్ 54 ఈజ్ హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ 108. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? సో 108 minus 54 is nothing but 54. 54 plus 26, yes. Which option is my answer? Third option. Is this clear? అంటే ఆ స్పీడ్ అనేది రావాలి. If I go with the differences, come on, let's go with the differences first. See, what you try to do is 3 or the 4 letter clusters are alike in a certain way, and one is different. Pick the odd one. Clearly based on odd man out. In odd man out, you will never compare one option with the other option. This is not a question on number series. Whatever the letters are given, we will compare them within the options. How much is this? M? 13. Ante plus 2. 15, 14 minus 1. 14, 9 minus 5. Mala. X, Z plus 2. ZC plus 3. Mala minus 3. అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? C is nothing but 29. 29 minus 3 is how much? 26. Come back here. This is 9 and this is 11. Plus 2, happy. 11 and 18 plus 7. Goal అయిపోయింది. When you say odd man out, 3 options, you are not supposed to get 3 different rules. అవునా కాదా? అంటే from this it is very clear, if you go with the difference of letters, you won't get the answers. You won't get the answers. Yes or no? Now what should I do, sir? Amma, what should I do, sir? Shall I go with vowels? Chapandi? Or something else? I'll show you what's happening here. Look at this M and N. Opposite letters. X and C, I and R, S and H. But what is happening with O and I? 59 minus 6. ఇదైతే ఏం లేదాడా. K and M అంటే ప్లస్ 2, U అంటే 21, C అంటే 29 ప్లస్ 8. మళ్ళీ అట్లా పోదామన్నా కూడా వర్కౌట్ అయితే లేదు స్టోరీ. అవునా కాదా? ఇప్పుడు సింపుల్. ఏది వర్కౌట్ కానప్పుడు నిన్ను కాపాడేది ఒకటి. వొవెల్స్ అండ్ కాన్సోనెంట్స్. Do you have a vowel in the first option? Yes. Do you have a vowel in the second option? Yes. Do you have a vowel in the third option? Yes. But this is set of only consonants. Set of only consonants. So what should be my answer? Second option. Next, look at this. What's happening here? Let us compare the first letter with the first. 6 and K. Come on, 6 and K. 6 and 11 kada. Don't tell me F ante 6, K ante 11. చిన్నపిల్లలాగా 6, 11 ఇట్లాంటి రాయకండి దయచేసి. అర్థమవుతుందా? 6, 11. How much is this? Plus 5. 7, 2 minus 5. Yes or no? C and B, 3 and 2 minus 1. 22, 18 minus 4. 10 and 14 plus 4. Come back to the same story. 14 plus 5. 14 plus 5 is what? 19. 19 is how much? Yes. 11 minus 5, 6. What is 6? F. V plus 1 minus 1 minus 1. V minus 1, U. V minus 1 is U. SFU. How many options? Only one option. Now in a certain code language, he is genius is written as. He is genius is written as Mon gone don. She is practicing UON, EON, GON. Practicing is must is written as PON, EON and GON. What is the code for the word is? Where do you see is? Do you see is in two places or only in one place? Amma? You can see is in all the three places. Avuna kada? Ante for us she is practicing, he is genius. Adokkadu chalu manaki. Avuna kada? He is genius and she is practicing, is enough for us. Endukante it is the only word that is common with 1 and 2. Avuna kada? What is that word? GON. So what is the code for is? GON. Next, look at this question. This is question purely based on blood relations. Whenever you come across this type of questions, I always suggest only one point. Compare the left hand side with the right hand side. What is the left hand side? X. What is the left hand side? X. Do you see X here? Yes. On the other side also, do you see X first? Yes. And the first person is related to second person. Avuna kada? ఇప్పుడు H at the rate K. H at the rate K అంటే కమాన్ మాట్లాడాలమ్మా. H is the sister of K. K hash. K is the brother of U. U dollar. U is the father of. U is the father of F. F percentile Q. F is the mother of Q. Q hash. Q is the brother of N. How is F related to H? How is F related to H? Niece. How is F related to H? Niece. Ante kada? Question number 9. 7 persons, Maina, Naina, Premi, Rohini, Srinika, Triveni and Veni were born on same date on the different years among 1875. First write down the years. 1875, 1880, 1881, 1887, 1892, 1900, 1901. What is the total number of people? 7. Chadavandamma, first point. 2 persons were born between Srinika and Rohini. 2 persons were born between Srinika and Rohini. Two persons were born between Srinika and Rohini. Srinika was born after 87. After 87 and Srinika has how many possibilities? 3 possibilities. Next, Veni was born just before Rohini. Veni was born just before Rohini. Veni was born just before Rohini. Naina was born 5 years before Maina. Ma'am, 5 years before అన్నాడు జాగ్రత్త. వాడు ఏమన్నాడు? 5 years. 5 persons అనలే. అవునా కాదా? 5 persons ఆర్ బోర్న్ బిట్వీన్ అన్నాడా, లేకపోతే నైనా ఈజ్ బోర్న్ 5 years బిఫోర్ మైనా అన్నాడా? 5 years. అంటే ద గ్యాప్ బిట్వీన్ నైనా అండ్ మైనా ఈజ్ 5 years. అండ్ నైనా ఈజ్ బోర్న్ బిఫోర్ మైనా. మొత్తం డయాగ్రామ్ మొత్తం నెంబర్లలో 5 years డిఫరెన్స్ ఎక్కడ కనబడుతుంది? 75 and 80. You have to be very alert with this clue. అమ్మా 87 and 92. ఎన్ని పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి ఇప్పుడు నైనాకి? అమ్మా ఎన్ని పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి? సో దిస్ ఈస్ నైని who was born before Maina. Naini can be 75 or ఎక్కడ తీసుకున్నా సరే ఇమీడియట్లీ ఆఫ్టర్ 9నే మైనా రావాలి. అవునా కాదా? 75, 80, 87, 92. డన్ కదా? నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చదువు. త్రివేణి వాజ్ నాట్ బోర్న్ ఆఫ్టర్ ప్రేమి but not in 1901. Neither Naini or Naina was born in 87. Neither Naini or Maina was born in 87. Only one possibility. This is Naini. This is Maina. What should I do with Srinika? Srinika has how many chances? 3 chances. Let me explore the first option, Srinika. How many people? 2 people. 1, 2. This is Rohini. Rohini immediately before is Vaini. There is 1 point here. Triveni was not born after Premi. Triveni was not born after Premi. Ante Triveni was born before. Chappanama, Triveni was born after Premi. After Premi. Premi tarvatane Triveni. Emanadu? But not in 1901. Yes, Triveni was not born in 1901. Any problem? No problem. Am I done with this? Come on. So question ఏమిటో చూడు ఫస్ట్. 1887 ఎవరు? Rohini. Pencil, sharpener, lead. What's the answer? Pencil, sharpener, lead. What is the answer? 4th option. Lead is part of pencil, but pencil and sharpener are 2 different things. Now this is a question on Chappanama. This is a question on dictionary order. Avuna kada? This is a question on dictionary order. What I suggest to you is look at the first 3 letters everywhere. The first 3 letters everywhere are same. The first 3 letters everywhere are same. Avuna kada? Let's go with the 4th letters. What are the 4th letters? E. Come on, come on. E, I, W, H, I, E. ఏమన్నా కానీ పోయి డబ్ల్యూ అయితే లాస్ట్. అవునా కాదా? వాడు మనకంటే తెలియగలడు. అన్ని ఆప్షన్లా వాడు డబ్ల్యూనే లాస్ట్ పెట్టిండు. అవునా కాదా? కానీ మనం వానికంటే తెలియగలం. డబ్ల్యూ ముందు పక్కా ఏం రావాలి? హెచ్ రావాలి. అంటే నీకు ఆన్సర్ ఏమవ్వాలి? 4, 3తో నిండు కావాలి. ఎన్ని ఆప్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ? 4, 3తో నిండు ఆప్షన్. చెప్పండి అమ్మా. ఈ అయ్యా లేకపోతే ఈ సారీ డబ్ల్యూహెచ్ఆ డబ్ల్యూఐయా? అరే హెచ్ ఫస్ట్ వస్తా ఐ ఫస్ట్ చెప్పండి రా బాబు. నేను కావాలని అప్పుడప్పుడు తప్పు రాస్తా. ఐ రావాలి ఫస్ట్. ఐ రావాలి ఫస్ట్ అంటే ఒకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకో. ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ ప్లేస్లో 1 కానీ 6 కానీ ఉండాలి. అంతేనా? థర్డ్ ప్లేస్లో ఏముండాలి? ఐ అంటే 4 కదా. ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ ప్లేస్లో 1, 6 ఉండి థర్డ్ ప్లేస్లో 4 ఎక్కడ కనబడుతుంది? ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ ప్లేస్లో 1 కానీ 6 కానీ ఉండి థర్డ్ ప్లేస్లో 4 నీకు ఎక్కడ కనబడుతుంది? అయిపోయింది ఆన్సర్. మొత్తం చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందా? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. అలర్ట్ లేరమ్మా మీరు. మజా వస్తలేదు క్లాసు. ఏం చేద్దాం? Repetitions. Can I go for repetitions? If I observe carefully, I can see R and Q, and then there is 1 gap followed by M, followed by H. Maybe this is RQ, 1 gap H, R and M majalo there is M. So maybe this is RQMHA. RQMHA. సరిపోయింది. RQMHA. Which option will be my answer? There are 7 stalls X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D placed in a row. They are not placed in a sequence. A is not at any end. So now how many stalls? 7 stalls. They are placed in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Done kada? First one in the A is not placed at end. This is not A. This is not A. C is to the immediate right of A. D is placed third from the left. D is placed third from the left. Z is at the left end. Into the Z. Next end X is second from the right end. x is second from the right అంటే a and c కి ఓన్లీ వన్ పాసిబిలిటీ. తర్వాత z is not with y, so this is y. Who is left out? a, b is left out. Question entry, where is b placed? Second from the left hand. 14th question is based on paper folding. 14th question is based on paper folding, and you know what we will always do? We'll go in the reverse direction. Avuna kada? So when you have this like this here, పక్కా ఇక్కడైతే ఒక సర్కిల్ వస్తుంది. వస్తా రాదా చెప్పండి అమ్మా. మరి పైన కూడా మనకు ఒక సర్కిల్ రావాలి కదా, ఆ పైన కూడా ఇంకో సర్కిల్ వస్తుంది. వస్తుందా రాదా? ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి మరిగా ఏ ఆప్షన్ పోవాలి నేను? థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ పోవాలన్నా ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ పోవాలన్నా? 100% గ్యారంటీ థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్. Consider the following sequences of mathematical symbols minus, into, plus, divide by, equal to. Which of the following equations can be correctly solved by replacing star signs as per the given sequence of the mathematical symbols? A option is start jayale. You want me to start from last or you want me to start from first? Most of the times this type of questions which are purely based on options start from reverse. 94 minus 9 into 6 plus 493 divided by 17 equals to 69. Is 493 divisible by 17? Yes. Pakka 493 is divisible by 17. How many times? 29 times. How many times? 29 times. Identa 9 6 amma 54 plus minus 94 minus 54 ఎంతరా బాబు? 40. 40 plus 29 ఎంత? 69. అయిపోయిందా లేదా? Abrogate, resend. Select the option which is related to the third word in the same way as the second word is related to the first word. This has nothing to do with reasoning. These questions are purely based on your English vocabulary skills. Avuna kada? So what is the meaning of the word abrogate? Abrogate is evading, avoiding, cancelling. Itla anukochu. Resigned is also avoid or cancel. Ante I can say these two are synonyms. These two are synonyms. Appalling. Appalling ki synonyms entidi? Atrocious. Appalling ante atrocious. Appalling బాధాకరమైన విషయం. Sorrow. Next, what am I supposed to do? Replace the symbols. I told you many number of times, always concentrate on divided by. Divided by should be replaced by plus. 42 divided by 111 చేస్తే ఇంక అంతే పరిస్థితులు. నీకు 90 వస్తా ఆన్సర్ డెసిమల్ నెంబర్లో పోతుంది. ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ఉందా అన్ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ఉందా? అన్ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్, మన పనికి వచ్చేటట్టుగా అనిపిస్తలే. సో అప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేస్తా? థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్తో ట్రై చేస్తా. థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్లో ఏం చేయాలి? మైనస్ అండ్ ప్లస్. దిస్ బికమ్స్ ప్లస్, దిస్ బికమ్స్ మైనస్. 96 divided by 4. Is 96 divided by 4? Yes. How many times? 26. 24. Sorry. Entama? 24. Yes or no? 24. Tarvata 24 into మాట్లాడాలి. 24 into 7 ఎంత? 168. 168 plus 42. 210. 210 minus 111. 210 minus 111 అంటే 99 కదా. విచ్ ఆప్షన్ ఇస్ మై ఆన్సర్? థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్. మల్టిప్లికేషన్ టేబుల్స్ రావాలమ్మా, లేకపోతే చాలా కష్టం. నౌ 18, 89, 23, 114. చూద్దాం వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ హియర్. హౌ టు సాల్వ్ దీస్ క్వశ్చన్స్. when I'm going in this way చూస్తూ పోతే 27 ఈ 135 కనబడితే నాకు ఏదో అనిపిస్తుంది. 135 is exactly divisible by 27. లేకపోతే 135 is an exact multiple of 27. How many times? 5 times. కానీ ఇది 5 times కాదు కదా. 16 5s 80 minus 1. ఇది కూడా into 5 minus 1. Into 5 minus 1. Which option is my answer? Fourth option. 19th. Rotation allowed or not allowed? Rotation is not allowed. You have to go with embedded figures. Which option will be my answer among those 4 options? Option number 2. Exactly right. 11, 19 and 59. What's happening? Any guesses? 11, 19 and 59. This is into 2 minus 3. దీన్ని ఏమనొచ్చు? 19 3 times తీసుకుందాం. ఎంత బై 19 3 times? 57 into 3 plus 2. అంటే ఒకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకో, ఇది వర్కౌట్ అవుతుందా వర్కౌట్ కాదా అని మనకు తెలియదు. మనమైతే ఒకటి అనుకున్నాం, ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా అదే లాజిక్తో కింద కనబడితే హ్యాపీ, కనబడకపోతే మళ్ళీ ఇంకోరాగా ఆలోచించాలి. అవునా కాదా? అది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు ఇంటూ 2, 4 2s 8 minus 3 5. ఓకే, 5 3s 15 plus 2 17. Can I say first option is my answer? Can I say first option is my answer? Never ever try to do any question without reading the directions. Never ever try to do any question without reading the directions. If you try this question without doing directions, 100% guarantee you will mark the answer as 1. Read the direction. Select the set in which the numbers are not related in the same way as the numbers are related to the following set. Related or not related? Not related. Jagartha. First one related or not related? Related. Second one, 7 2s 14 minus 3 11. 11 3s 33 plus 2 35. This is also related. 8 2s 16. 16 minus 3 13. 13 into 5. So 13 into 3 40. So 39 plus 2. చాలా చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండాలమ్మా. Never ever try to do any question without reading the directions. What's going on here? Shall I go with the G and C? Minus 4. 19 15 minus 4. 15 minus 4 11. What is 11? Okay. How many options? Second option is enough to decide what is the answer. Second letter is enough to decide what is the answer. Chapandamma. 11 18 plus 7. 6 13 plus 7. 18 plus 7 25. What is 25? So which option is my answer? Understood? Some chargers are batteries. All batteries are black. Some chargers are black. Yes. Some black are battery. Yes. What is the answer? Both 1 and 2. Select the correct mirror image of the given figure when the mirror is placed on the right side of the figure. Mirror is placed on the right side of the figure. What will be my answer? 100% guarantee first option. ఎందుకంటే సింపుల్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకో, డబ్బా వస్తుంది కానీ ఈ లైన్ ఇట్లా వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా అమ్మా? 24 చూడు. Study the following pattern. Select the number that can replace the question mark in the first row, second row, third row. Operations should be performed on the whole numbers without breaking down the numbers into the constituent digits. Yes, don't break the numbers into digits. No digit logics allowed. How much is this? 12 into 9 is equals to how much? 108 into 2, 216. 9 into 16, how much is 9 into 16? 144 into 2, 280. 13 into 7, 91. 2 times of 91, 182. Option number 3. మా ఈ డయాగ్నల్ లైన్స్ ఆపోజిట్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, చెప్పండి అమ్మా. మరి ఇక్కడ కూడా డయాగ్నల్ లైన్స్ వచ్చిందా లేదా? ఆపోజిట్ అంటే మరి దీనికి ఆపోజిట్ ఇదే కదా. విచ్ ఆప్షన్? కథం. ఎనీ డౌట్స్?